In this video, I'll show control current source. Control current source is two types. Firstly, voltage control current source and current control current source. I'm opening Simulink and blank model. This is our circuit on the left side. So first we have to make the circuit. So I'm going library and then SimScape as usual, then foundation library electrical, and we need a current source. Okay, so electrical sources, DC current source. Okay, and two resistor. Resistor is another electrical element. So resistor and a voltage control current source. This is a current source and this is controlled by a voltage Vx. So okay, and voltage control current source is under electrical sources and voltage control current source is here. So this is all about our circuit element. So I'm rearranging my circuit element. Oh, sorry, we need another electrical element, electrical references, and a solver configuration block. Okay, so I'm connecting circuit. So okay, firstly you have to understand that this is a vein or output current source. Okay, so I'm connecting this here and this will be connected here. Okay, and this is our main circuit and this is electrical references and this is our configuration block. So that's all about our circuit. So I'm putting numerical values. This is 2 ampere, this is 10 ohm, okay, this is 20 ohm, and gain of this voltage control current source is 1.2. Okay, now we have to put this control voltage. This is positive and our Vx positive is here, and this is negative and our Vx negative is here. So okay, that's all about it, and we have to find our voltage Vx. So we are taking voltage sensor. This will be here, and a Simulink converter, Simulink and sorry, utilities, and sorry, Simulink converter, and a display block, sync, and this is our display. Okay, and to determine Vx. So here this is our Vx. We may take this down here for circuit simplicity. Sorry. And this is our, okay. So this is our Vx and this is our circuit, whole circuit. Okay. So I'm running this model and our Vx is 5.74 and this is our actual by numerical calculation Vx is 5.74. So our circuit is okay, our simulation is okay, so everything is okay. So this is all about voltage control current source. Nextly I'll show current control current source. So I'm deleting all this. So this is second portion of this video, current control current source. So I'm taking circuit element. Firstly we need a voltage source, so electrical sources, DC voltage source and resistor under electrical element. This is resistor and a current control current source. Current control current source is under electrical sources and current control current source. Yeah, okay. So electrical references and a solver configuration block. Solver configuration block. So I'm making circuit. These are circuit. This is our current source, okay, and this is all about our circuit, and the control current is Ix. Here Ix is flowing through from upper to lower side, as you can see here this section. So I'm deleting this, and this is our Ix positive and negative will be. So now we have to put numerical values of our circuit. So this is 40 volt, this is 20 ohm, this is 10 ohm, this is 20 ohm. The gain of this current control current source is 4 and this is 10. So this is all about our circuit, and we have to determine VO. Okay, for that we need our voltage sensor. VO is here, and a Simulink converter. That's we already know why we need a Simulink converter. I have discussed about this Simulink converter in my previous video. So here our display. Okay, I'm connecting this VO, and this here Simulink converter will be connected to the output of the voltage sensor, and this is display block. So this is all about our circuit, and now I have to run this output is 60 volt, and now as you can see here the result is 60 volt. So our simulation is okay. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss our future videos.